So according to me, two party system is much better than multiple party system, because if we have more choices, so sometimes there is lots of chances that we can get distracted, we can get confused while choosing our party. In multiple party system, there are lots of local parties, national party, state level parties. So people think that to whom we should vote. And in two party system, people will be clear that I have only two options. One is this one is this one, and I have to choose one of them. So it may be better than multiple party system.
Okay, Bhavya, I want to listen you also.
I agree with you. I think two-party system is indeed better than multiple-party system, because first of all we have a broader view, since we have only two parties and less options to choose from, so people can easily make their decision, and there is a less messy politics and less corruption if there are only two parties, one in the rule and one in the opposition. And if there are many parties, then there are more disputes, riots, etc. So it reduces the chance of that, I think.
Okay, very good. We have some other people also. Please, would you like to say something, sir? Please.
Hello, good evening, everybody. I am in the favor of multi-party system. There are so many points for multi-party system. Their first point is it may as we know, India is a combination of different caste, culture, religious. So that's why each and every person want to participate in a politics. And second point is that it's encourage so many peoples for voting. Just like when only two parties in a country, if we not happy for the parties, only two parties, then we don't have no more choice. Right. If the three or four parties, just like I am agree with the BSP, I am agree with another is agree with the Samajwadi Party, that's they can go for votes. Otherwise, they didn't go for vote. Just like in a last election, we saw Hema Malini is participated as a MP in Mathura. Most of people did not like Hema Malini, but they have no choice. That's why they didn't go for votes.
Okay, very nice, valid point. Like we have choice.
That's why.
You can go anywhere, and it's happening in India. Like earlier, people were interested in BSP, then they shifted towards BJP, then now people are shifting towards Samajwadi Party and all, yes. So now, would you like to say something? Yes, like he's just telling so many benefits of multiple party system, yes.
I'm also telling the multiple party system. So, do you know India is India is a big country and there are a lot of population. So and there are a lot of states, and these there are diversity in India. So how can only one party and two party know about the needs of all the states people? That's why I think multiple party system is far better than two party systems.
Okay, very good. Say something. You say something.
Sir, according to my point of view, multiple party system is better than two party system, because people have more options. People have more options, and if people have more options, and they can they can go for voting. And as we all know, India is highly populated country, and there are various minor peoples in India. So every minor people makes combine each other and make a party, and in highly populated country, multiple party system is best.
Okay. So Bhavya, like he's telling means multiple party system is far better. Now we would like to listen to you, because you are supporting the two party system, yes.
Actually, in this point, I would agree with you that India is a diverse country. It is largely populated, but that's exactly the problem, because like we have so many cultures, caste, minorities, and every culture, caste, minority form their own political party. So nowadays people are going for their like own caste instead of actually viewing the political manifesto of the party. That's the problem. Right now they are not looking for like what's the political manifesto, what are the policies and terms. They just see that the like contestant is of their caste and they vote.
Vicky, would you like to say something?
So according to me, multi-party system is not good, because when there is multi-party system, then sometimes it leads to a problem, because in our populated country, many people don't know where to vote, where to go, because they don't know about their developments. Like if there will be two parties, then they can rely on that, like BJP and the Congress. And because of multiple party system, we can see the development differences across the country. Like when in Akhilesh Yadav, they won by at the Amethi, so they focus more on Amethi rather than like other districts of Uttar Pradesh. In Delhi, we can see there are more development than the UP Bihar section. So I think if there will be two party systems, so our country India get the equal development across the